I will say this wig, it gave me a little bit of, I don't know what this is, but that's what it gives me, because I wore it on my birthday and I went to brunch and they did not ask me to see my ID, and then I went somewhere else that same weekend wearing this wig and they also didn't ask me to see my ID, and that ain't never happened in my life because everybody thinks I'm 12. So I'm an adult. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing kind of like a little show and tell on what I call my birthday wig, because it was my birthday wig from back in November. I was supposed to have gotten this video out a while ago, but I didn't. But since I had somewhere to be today and I wore this wig today, I was like, oh, this is the perfect time to film a little intro about the wig. So this is not really gonna be a tutorial because there was no like system to me doing this wig, because I did make this wig myself. What I can say is that my frontal is from Eunice Hair, and I believe it was a 12-inch body wave frontal, and the back I honestly couldn't tell you because it's a mosh posh of hair that I had just laying around, and I'm like, I'm gonna do something with it. So it's kind of like a what do you call it, Frankenstein. It's a Frankenstein wig. But it turned out really good. If you guys have been following me, you have either seen or heard me talk about my fire inspired hair that I no longer have. So what I really wanted to do was just make a wig that memorialized that fire inspired hair. So I have like all these fire-ish browns and oranges and reds kind of as a peekaboo back there. But yeah, so basically I'm just gonna go ahead and show you all the little steps of how I got this wig, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Don't forget to like the video if you like the video, and to subscribe to my channel, and to follow me on social media. I got all that crap out the way. So see you guys later. Okie dokie. So basically I'm making this wig from a wig that I made a long time ago. It was the one from my video that was like my first wig or whatever. There was no, it was like a leave out half wig that you would just sew down, so there's no closure or frontal. I purchased a frontal from Eunice Hair, so I'm just showing you. They are natural wave textures, and I have to take my old wig apart, then do the frontal, then make the wig. So it's gonna be a long night, but I think it's gonna be great in the end. Did all the making the wig and cutting it last night. Now it's time to color. There's a lot of moving pieces to this because there's so many different colors that are used, well, that I use to make the fire hair. If you saw my original video, you'll know what I'm talking about, and I'm just recreating that. So I have 30 volume developer, I have bleach, which I forgot to bring over here. I have my T18 toner for the blonde that I'm going to leave blonde. Cajun spice from Adore. Cinnamon from Adore. And then, it's called? Not Crimson Red. Intense Red from L'Oreal High Color. So all of these are going in. And I have already separated my little section. So it's going to be on the left side, slightly behind the hairline, right here. This is the section that I'm dyeing. So I'm going to start just by bleaching it. So yeah, let's get started. I think it's been about 20 minutes, and that's pretty bright, but I know it is always the case. As soon as I think it's ready, I should have left it on for about 5 more minutes. So I'm going to leave it on for 5 more minutes, then I'm going to rinse her out. Lace is all cut. I'm not bleaching my knots. I'm just going to put foundation on it. But anyway, I cut the lace, and then the only thing that I did off camera was make the bottom more even, kind of like blunt, because it had like an asymmetrical thing going on where it was longer in the front, and I decided I didn't like that, so I just wanted it to be blunt at the bottom. And lastly, I added just a few layers in the back, so at the back it's shorter than coming all the way down here. So I am pleased. Yay.